Right, let's continue discussing the lecture out. We have this trial and error method. So, magamit na siya ni four shapes not in the column tables. Trial and error approach must be used. If you shape, no, white flash, for table 4-1, kung niya makita ito, white flash, is nagsugod siya W14, W8. So, kani siya nga shape is naa siya actually na siya value for P sub n for LRFD. This is the reference line. And P sub n over the sigma or factor of safety. This is for ASD. Shapes are W14 to like including W12, W10 to then W8. This shape naa siya value for this available value for this LRFD and ASD. But aside sa kani nga values, aside aning W14, wala sa siya like going to use this error method. The general procedure is to assume a shape and then compute its strength. If the strength is too small, meaning unsafe, or too large, uneconomical put, then that must be procedure general should be total operating stress should be less than y or di siya dapat malapit sa y. Assume, no? Examination of any shape equation for 3 or equations 2 shows that the theoretically stress or Fy, meaning you have to assume value for critical buckling stress, not Fy, because Fy is the maximum value man. Then, required area see in the table of specifications since ang katong shape is wala man siya sa column load tables, we have to use the table for specifications, no? Later na we'll try to answer an example. Better understand this. For LRFD, and it's using this one, no? Since your galis mo og FCR ang FY, so may siyang FCR diri. Your required area is equal to this one. Now, this is the force, the critical stress times the gross sectional area. Now, this is the resistance factor. So that your gross area, the required area is the factor resistance factor times LRFD, no LRFD, the critical buckling stress. For ASD, this one, now you are already this one. This is the stress times the area, so maybe force, no? The critical buckling load. should be greater than or equal to the applied load divided by the gross. Wala na ni siya eh. No? Kasi A sub G. Kay, you have your A sub G diri. So, applied load for ASD is 0.6 FCRAG greater than the applied load. So that your required area for the gross area is equal to, should be greater than or less than the applied load divided by 0.6 the critical buckling stress. So the required area should be greater than this area. No, slightly greater than this area, no, for the economical section. For ASD. Alright. So, muna siya. For the design procedure 2, select a shape that satisfies the area requirement. No? Continuation of this procedure 1, meaning that is slightly larger, no? Slightly larger than this area requirement. Meaning the area requirement is slightly larger than this katong area nga through LRFD or using ASD, no? Then compute FCR again and the strength for the trial shape, no? FCR, remember those condition katong gi-discuss nato sa a previous nga video. Then revise if necessary if the for the meaning aning compute for FCR and the strength of the trial shape. FCR, remember, is equal to the condition like 0.877 FE. You have to compute for the Euler's stress, which is the FE first, no? Also, you have to evaluate also the slenderness ratio, the KL over the minimum radius of gyration, no? Kung less than 200, okay, no? Because 200 is the limit. Then compare that KL over R to the value for 4.71 square root of E over Fy. If you remember that one, no? So, na siya sa INECP and AIS equation. So, para ma-remember nato later, no? Revise if necessary if the available strength is very close to the required value. The next tabulated size can be tried. Otherwise, repeat the entire procedure using the value of FCR found for the current trial shape as value for step 1. Then check local stability, no, kung if in the table na siya small c, meaning slender siya, no, you have to check for the local stability. Pero kung wala gani siya c, meaning okay ang width to slenderness ratio is okay. Local stability is not an issue, no? Then revise if necessary kung na-issue ang local stability. We have here an example. Select a W18 shape. Remember, the W18 shape is not in the local column load table. Excuse me.